Hi everyone, my name is Anerv Serene and I'm one of the co-founders of P3 Media. One of the hidden yet incredibly powerful features of Shopify is Metafields. Before we can discuss Metafields, it's important to take a look at the Shopify Admin. As an example, in the product section of the admin, you'll notice that it is fairly minimal. It only allows you to enter product title, product description, tags, and categories. But what if you run an apparel brand and need to have size charts? What if you're making custom hardware and have a backorder date? These are just two distinct examples of why the description field in Shopify isn't sufficient to provide all the information to the customer. Thankfully, Metafields solves all of these issues, and with the 2021 upgrade of Shopify, these are natively available in your product admin itself. While you do need a developer to enable custom Metafields and have them integrated onto the website itself, the process is really seamless and allows merchants to endlessly expand their store. And best of all, Metafields is slowly rolling out across products, variants, collections, customers, and orders, making it one of the best and most powerful features in Shopify. If you need help setting up Metafields for your store, please visit p3media.com.